Warahmatullahi Wabarakatuh. To Dr. Wan Khadijah binti Wan Sulaiman. We are from Group 3. Today we present about the Business Mathematics 402. The topic is annuity. Okay, before we start, let me introduce my group's member. My name is Nur Alia UMAIRAH binti Rosdi. The second members are Nur FARAH HANUM. Third member MUHAMAD HAFIZUL. And the last one is EMIRA BATHRISYIA BALQIS binti MAKIR.
Good day, everyone. I'm Emmy from Group 3. Before we go into our group question, I would like to explain what is annuity. An annuity means a series of equal payments made at the regular time periods for a certain number of years. In simple words, annuity is when we pay or receive the same amount of money again and again at the same time every period, like every month or every year. Annuity is common in real life, especially in things like loans, savings plans, investments, and insurance. For example, people who take a car loan or home loan will usually pay the same monthly payment until the loan is finished. For this presentation, our group will focus on ordinary annuity, where payments happen at the end of each month. Understanding annuity is important because it helps us calculate things like how much we need to pay each month, how much interest we will pay, and how much total we will pay over time. That's all for my introduction about annuity. Next, my friend will explain the key characteristic of annuity.
Hi, Assalamualaikum everyone. My name is Muhammad HAFIZUL with SUDIRMAN, and today I'm going to explain the key characteristic of an annuity. An annuity is a series of payments made or received over a period of time. It is commonly used in areas like savings, retirement income, and loan repayment. There are three main characteristics of an annuity. First, an annuity involves equal payments. This means that the amount paid or received is the same every time. For example, someone might receive 500 every month. The amount never changes, which makes it easier to manage your budget because you know exactly what to expect each period. Second, annuity payment happen at regular time intervals. This could be monthly, quarterly, or yearly. These consistent intervals allow for predictable cash flow. Let's say you make a payment on the first of every month. That's a regular monthly interval. Third, an annuity has a definite time period. This means the payment will continue only for a fixed duration, like 5 years or 10 years. Once that time is over, the payment stops. For example, if an annuity is said to last for 5 years, you will receive or make payments only during those 5 years. To summarize, an annuity has three important features like equal payments, regular timing, and a fixed time period. These features make an annuity reliable and useful in financial planning, especially for retirement or managing long-term expenses. That's all for me. Thank you.
Okay, the question is Ali borrow 25,000 to open the viral nasi lemak delivery by drone business. The interest is 70% compounded monthly to 6 years. Okay, the given information, the total loan amount is 25,000. The loan term is 6 years. Annual interest rate 70% is 0.07. Payment per year is monthly payment 12. The total number of payment n equally to 12 multiple 6 is 72. Okay, the interest rate I equally to k divided m. 0.07 divided 12, we get 0.0058333. Okay, we use the annuity formula. A equally to R, open bracket 1 minus open bracket 1 plus I, close bracket minus n. divided to I, close bracket. Okay, step the calculation. The loan payment 25,000 to equally to R, open bracket 1 negative minus 1 plus 0.00583333 close bracket negative 72 divided 0.00583333 and close bracket. Okay, evaluate the bracket part. 1 negative open bracket 1.00583333 close bracket negative 72 divided 0.00583333. The answer is 58.6541.035. Okay, and solve for the R. 25,000 divided to 0.65 we get the monthly installment is 426.22. So the answer is 426.22.
Now I will explain how to calculate the total interest that Ali will pay over the 6-year loan period. For this, I will use the total interest formula for loan annuity, which is I equals to N times R minus A, where I is the total interest, R is the monthly installment, and the total number of monthly payments, and A is the original loan amount or principal. From question A earlier, we already calculated that Ali monthly installment is RM 426 ringgit and 22 cents. Now I need to calculate the total number of payments. The loan term given in the question is 6 years. However, because Ali is making monthly payments, I need to convert the loan term from years to months. There are 12 months in 1 year, so N equals to 6 times 12 equals to 72 months. This gives me the total number of monthly payments that Ali will make over the loan period. The loan amount is RM 25,000 as stated at the questions. Next, I'll calculate the total amount Ali will pay back to the bank over the 6 years by multiplying the monthly installment with the number of months, which is 72 months times 426 ringgit and 22 cents equals to 30,687 ringgit and 84 cents. So over 6 years, Ali will pay 30,687 ringgit and 84 cents in total. Then I subtract the original loan amount from the total payment to calculate the total interest paid, which is 30,687 ringgit and 84 cents minus 25,000 equals to 5,687 ringgit and 84 cents. So the total interest Ali will pay is 5,687 ringgit and 84 cents. Even though Ali only borrowed 25,000, he ends up paying over 30,000 after 6 years. The extra 5,687 ringgit and 84 cents is the cost of borrowing, which is the total interest charged by the bank for lending him the money. This calculation shows the real cost of taking loan over a long period. The longer the loan term, the more total interest the borrower will pay, even if the monthly installment looks small or affordable. These examples highlights why borrowers like Ali should always calculate the total interest and compare different loan terms or payment plans before making a financial decision. It's important to understand the total cost, not just focus on the monthly installment.
Now, let's look at question C. Ali skipped the first 3 monthly payment because of delays in getting his business license. Now, in the 4th month, he wants to catch up by paying everything that is due. To calculate this, we use the future value of an ordinary annuity formula, since the missed payments are growing with monthly interest. So the formula is S equal R, open bracket 1 plus I, close bracket to the power of N, minus 1 divided by I, where S is the total amount due in month 4, R is the regular monthly payment, which is 426.22, I is the monthly interest rate, which is 7% per year or 0.0058333 per month, and N is the total number of payments he's making at once, in this case 4. Let's substitute the values. S equals 426.22 multiply open bracket 1 plus 0.0058333 close bracket to the power of 4 minus 1 divided by 0.0058333. We calculate the value in the bracket first. 1.0058333 to the power of 4 equals 1.023538159. So S equals 426.22 multiply 1.023538159 minus 1 divided by 0.0058333. So S equals 426.22 multiply 4.035136108, and finally we get S equal 1719.85. So in month 4, Ali must pay approximately 1,719 ringgit and 85 cents. This covers the 3 missed payment with interest plus the regular 4th payment.
My name is FARAH HANUM binti AZHARUDDIN. Okay, for the last question is question D. We want to find out how much Ali still owes after making loan payment for 4 years. Since the loan term is 6 years, that means Ali has already paid for 48 months. So there are 24 months remaining. We have determined our monthly payment to be 426.22 cents. To calculate the remaining balance, we use the present value of annuity formula as shown below. Okay, for the first step, we have to compute 1 plus 0.0085333 to the power of minus 24. The answer will be 0.8697. Next, subtract from 0.8697 minus 1. The answer will be negative 0.1303. Then divide by the rate. Negative 0.1303 divide the interest is 0.0058333. The answer will be negative 22.34. Finally, multiply by the payment. 426.22 multiply the negative 22.34. The answer will be negative 9,521.75. Even after 4 years of payment, Ali still has around 9,521.75 cents left to settle based on the remaining 24 months of his loan. To conclude, Ali's 25,000 loan at 7% compounded monthly result in 426.22 cents monthly payment. Over 6 years, he will pay 5,685.84 in interest. If he ever skips 3 months payment, he needs 1,719.85 in month to catch up. And after 4 years of on-time payments, he still owes about 9,521.75 cents. This breakdown not only clarifies his cash flow obligations but also highlights how timing and compounding impact the true cost of borrowing.